Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we have a new video of a loop scarf that's kind of made with single crochets. It's really quick to make this. It's a really nice pattern, really even, really nice. It looks very orderly, I would say. And yeah, it's really nice and warm, really cozy. I made this from one ball of yarn, one big ball of yarn, which I'm obviously going to show you in a minute. I used my size 8 crocheting hook for this, and how I did this I will show you now. Have fun, guys! Okay, so this is the wool that we're using. It's called soft wool, creative soft wool Aran. It's 100 grams and 300 meters, 75% acrylic and 25% wool. It's meant for size 5 crocheting hooks, and I'm going to do this in doubles, so I'm actually not going to use a size 5. You can see here the color is kind of like eggplant. It's really nice. It's like a deep purple. And I'm going to crochet this with my size 8 crocheting hook. Yeah, and so we're just going to do this double. Did I already mention that it's Rico design? Yeah. And so I think this wool is kind of a little thinner than the recommended size number 5. And so I'm just going to use my 8 here. And the color is the number 31. And so now we can start. So I'm going to take off the label here. It's a really nice and big ball of yarn. Great. This is great for something like this, what we're doing today. And so here I have the thread from the outside, and this I'm pulling out the thread from the inside. Let's see where it is here. This is a little chaotic, but I found it. So here we have the beginning and the end. And we're going to start here. I'm going to start with some chain stitches. It has to be an even number. I'm going to choose probably 12, 14, or 16. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think that's a nice width. You can obviously make, choose length here as much as you want. If you're making something and it's too thin, then you can, make it a little wider. I'm going to skip the first stitch and do a single crochet into the next one, then a chain stitch, and then another single crochet. You can see that the hook that we chose here, the number 8, really works well for this thread. So again, we're going to skip a stitch, and then into the next one we do a single crochet, a chain stitch, and then another single crochet, all into the same spot. Then we skip one. And into the next one, we again do a single crochet, a chain stitch, and another single crochet. Then we skip one again, and into the one after that, we go and do a single crochet, a chain stitch, and another single crochet. We skip another, and then into the next one, we do the same thing. Single crochet, chain stitch, and another single crochet. Then we skip one and do the same thing over again. Single crochet, chain stitch, and another single crochet. Then we do the same thing again. So skip one, do a single crochet, chain stitch, and another single crochet. Skip another, and then do a single crochet, a chain stitch, and another single crochet. This is what it looks like for now. You can see you have these little bumps all over here. This is what the chain stitches look like. They're kind of, a little taller than the rest. And then we go backwards. So I'm not gonna add any chain stitches here before I turn it around, so I just turn it around and then just continue doing single crochets. So I just go around the chain stitches at the row before and then do the same pattern. So single crochet, chain stitch, and another single crochet. And then here again, single crochet, chain stitch, and another single crochet. And here again. Single crochet, chain stitch, and another single crochet. You can see it now, what it looks like when they're on top of each other. And we continue. Single crochet, chain stitch, single crochet. And here again. Single crochet, chain stitch, and another single crochet. And here we're almost at the end. Another one. Single crochet, chain stitch, and another single crochet. And here at the very end, around the last chain stitches, do the same thing. And then we're done with this second row. You can see what it looks like here. You can see it's really nice and wide and pretty compact, pretty dense. And so here you can see kind of like, falls apart a little bit where you go around the chain stitches. And I'm going to continue doing this for a little bit and then I'll show you an update. Alright guys, so here is my update for you guys. And you can see what the pattern is looking like, how it's developing, how the single crochets kind of go into each other into little V's. And yeah, just what it looks like here and how it works with the crocheting hook. Okay guys, so here we are at basically the end of the scarf. I have a really nice length here. This is the last bit of the ball of yarn. And as you can see, this is doubles actually. So I'm going to continue. I'm going to do this here as a loop scarf. I have about 140 centimeters that I have as a scarf. And so what I do here is I put the two ends on top of each other. I have these little V's here that kind of go into each other. It looks really nice, I think. Just like a slight variation, and it already looks, much more unique. And so here we are, and we're gonna crochet these two ends together. So I just went in to where we had the hook at the end, and then we go into the other stitch from the other end. And we just kind of go in here, so stitch on the right, stitch on the left, and then we pull the thread through both. All right, and then comes the next one. Poke in, pull through. And I actually have my starting thread here, which I just decided I would also just pull through so I can crochet it, away, basically. So you can see here that I'm going through and I'm not only pulling the thread, but I'm also pulling the starting thread that is just loose over there. And so this is what it looks like, and I'm going to do this for the whole height of this scarf. Very simple technique. I just actually lost one of these threads, but that's not a problem. There we go. Not sure what happened here, but I think I have it right again. Not a problem at all. And we continue here. And so this is what I do for the whole height of the scarf. And so here we are at the end and what it looks like after you crochet the ends together. I'm going to pull the thread out, just like this. And then I'm going to pull it a little bit tight. Pulling through the beginning thread actually didn't work as well, so we're going to do that later. And here you can see what it looks like, what the pattern looks like. It looks super even and really, really nice. I love this pattern, and it's a very slight variation, but I think it looks very different and just, yeah, much more unique, I would say. It's really soft, really cozy, great wool. It's really easy to work with. And yeah, I think this is really nice for a loop scarf. You can kind of loop it around twice. Thank you guys for watching DIY ideas. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free. You'll always be the first one to be informed about a new video. Please share this video with your friends and see you next time.